Hello my beautiful bookish friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my first ever book of the month unboxing on my channel. I have been a member of book of the month for I think 6 months now, but this is the first box that I actually have completely full, so there are 2 add-on books in here. I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So this month I don't believe I picked any of the books from the 5-book selection you can get this month. None of them were really speaking to me. So instead, I used my 1 credit that you get every month with your subscription to get one of the previous books that have been in the box, and then I added on 2 other books. So we are going to open this up because I cannot remember what I got. All right, so everything comes in a big blue box and then shrink wrapped together. So if you don't know what book of the month is, it is a subscription service where you pay, I think it's $15 a month, and you get to pick a hardcover book, and then every book after the first one is $10, and you get free shipping on all of these. So 3 books here, all hardcovers and all less than $35. So it's pretty awesome. And after you are there for like a full year, you get 1 free credit, and then you also can have friends sign up with your link and you get a free credit and they get $5 off of their order. So I'm taking all the plastic off. So every box comes with a bookmark. I usually don't keep those. And then this month's pick that I actually used my credit for is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. A lot of people have talked about this book on BookTube, and I'm very into historical fiction. On the back of the Book of the Month books, they'll actually tell you which month they were selected for. This is from June of 2017. This book has been out for 3 years now, but people are still obsessed with it, and it is all about a reporter going to talk to this reclusive old Hollywood starlet, and basically she tells her life story, and there is all about her 7 husbands and who her one true love actually was. And it's just a very interesting novel to me. Taylor Jenkins Reid wrote this book and also wrote Daisy Jones and the Six, which a lot of people are obsessed with. So I got this one this month. Then I got another historical fiction. This one is very, very thick. This one is just under the Modern Classics tab on Book of the Month, and that is All the Light We Cannot See. This, I believe, is a World War II story, all about a girl in Paris when all of the lockdowns happen and the Nazis occupy Paris. So it's very much talking about them fleeing and stuff. This cover actually is ripped, which that sucks, but the book jacket is a little damaged on this one. But this is a pretty thick book. All of the Book of the Month ones have like, this is the inside of the book. It's not the normal book jackets or covers. So if you don't want this in the top corner, or you want the specific cover under the book jacket, Book of the Month will not have those. But if you collect all editions of them, then you would want to get Book of the Month. And the last one is one that came out at the end of last year that I remember. I think it actually came out in January, but they had it as an early release on the site because this is from January 2019, and it is Reverie, which I know a lot of people were excited about, and I think it got some not so great reviews. And it's about dreams, and I think there's like a dead body involved. Like, there's a lot that goes on in this book. But I really liked the cover and I thought it looked very pretty. So I got it. I'm very into like blue, black books like this. So I got this one, and it says, "Some dreams chase you back." People said it's kind of like a mix between The Night Circus and Caraval, and that kind of overall theme, which I really like because I love those books. But that is what I got for my Book of the Month books. If you want to order some yourself or become a member, just check out the website. I will link down below my referral link so you get some money off and I get a free credit. I do not make money off of that link. And I am not a Book of the Month affiliate, so this is all free promotion for them. I just really enjoy this service because I love getting at least one new book every month if I'm trying to save. It's a lot cheaper for me to get one hardcover from them for $15 than I would normally get them at the store. This one is usually $17.99. This one is usually $27, so a huge savings because I got this for $10. And Evelyn Hugo would normally be $26 as well. So basically you're getting them for like half off or more. So if you guys like it, like I said, my link will be down below. Let me know if you are a member of Book of the Month and what your favorite book you've got from them so far is. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.